Right, once you've replaced your brake pads and everything, all you then do is switch the ignition on to key position 1. Sorry. Key position 1. Right, that's key position 1. And as you can see right there, you press exit for that one. Press OK right here. Now we're exiting basically. Right, position has been exited. Press confirm. That's it. And then you just press back and then pump the brakes and then just function the handbrake. Make sure the handbrake is working. So that's all you have to do on this particular model. There's a first part to this as well, which shows you how it's done. And don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.